Back everybody to another cool YouTube video. In this video we will make an algorithm to calculate the sum of n terms. So if you enter three numbers, so you got the sum and that is 49, or if you enter 5 number or 10 numbers like this way, you got the sum. So we will make an algorithm to calculate the sum of n terms. So if you enter 10 terms, 20 terms, 50 terms, there is no problem, you get the sum. So we will make an algorithm which will calculate the sum of n terms, or if you just enter no any number, then it will print the error. So let's start. So we make an function with the name add n, that means addition of n terms, and here we pass star n numbers. Why this use? Because by using this you can enter any number, you can enter any number of parameter, you can pass 10 parameter, 20 parameter. So we will convert these numbers to a list, the star of numbers. So if you type 10 number or 20 number, we will convert this into a list. So we say star of numbers, we got the list, and finally we print the sum of numbers, because this is a built-in function. Sum is built-in function method in Python. So if you type 10 number, 20 number, 1000 number, this will calculate the sum. So this is too much simple algorithm. Let's check it. Add n, and let's pass this parameter like 3, 2, 21, 145. You got the sum and that is the 36. And let's check by more values. So if we enter only two values, 3, 2, we got the output and that is 5. And what about if we enter these numbers like 3, 2, 7, 88, 3, 4, 6, 87, 1, 1, 1, like this, all these big numbers, and 2, -2 also, we got the sum and that is the 216. But there is an issue in this. There is an issue. And what's the issue? So if you just add n, and if you pass a string that is 1, hello, you get the error, and that error is unsupported operand type for integer and string. So what we have to do? First, we can use here try except statement. So if you just let's remove these comments. Okay, so here after this line we use a try and except. So try this, and if we got any error, that is the addition error of int and string, we will print the invalid addition. That means addition is invalid for integer and strings. So invalid addition. Save your file with Ctrl S and run your code and add and now we pass 3, hello, and now we got invalid addition. Okay, you can see on your screen invalid addition, and that is the output. What about if we check more numbers like 3, 21, 1, 1, 3, like this, or 2, we got the sum and that is the 31. So this is working fine, and if we pass here a string, we got the error. So this is all about how you can use this. So in the next video we will discuss more algorithms, or maybe some Stack Overflow questions for beginners. So thank you for watching this tutorial. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel Coding India on YouTube, or you can follow me on Twitter. Thank you for watching this video.